I saw that the security detail that you had come in is enormous.
Well, it's not that enormous. Maybe it should be bigger. I don't know.
I think you could probably afford it. But I mean, how concerned are you about your safety? Dealing, I mean, you are a wanted man. Are you nervous?
So, look, I'm open to ideas for improving security, I have to tell you. Like, I don't actually have a death wish, I think. But you know, it's not that easy. Yeah, I mean, but I have like, I've had even like people like President Bukele from El Salvador who managed to put in prison like, I don't know, 100,000 like murderous thugs. And he was like, he called me, he's like, I'm worried about your security. I'm like, you're worried about my security? I'm like, what? Okay. That's you know.
I mean, yeah, talk about guts to do that down there. I mean,
yeah, totally.
And survive.
Like, I was like, how did you put all those thugs in prison without dying? Because it seems like that would have been not easy, you know. Well,
there's the president has, one of his top attorneys is now investigating, I guess, Chuck Schumer for threats against SCOTUS, a congressman on the Democrat side. They're saying, you know, basically saying we're going to bring a war to you, like a fight to you. I mean, the rhetoric, you guys are screwing with things that are not supposed to be messed with. And
we're fighting the Matrix.
There's a lot of people that really don't want that to happen.
Yeah, we're fighting the Matrix big time here.
Yeah.
But it has got to be done.
Yeah.